Second set. Legs straight, join big toes, tighten kneecap, lips closed. Naukaasanam, holding position, 30 count. Ready? Slowly come to final position. Naukaasanam. Stay there and stay strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total body turn to right side. Turn to right side. Sitting position. Now turn to abdomen side. Dhanurasanam. Fold both legs. Separate legs. Fold both legs and separate foot, knee, thigh. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Catch ankle joint. Hands straight, elbow straight. Elbow straight, hands straight. Pull your legs back. Pull your legs back. Lift thigh, lift upper body. Come on, lift thigh, lift upper body. Only balance on your mid stomach. Lips closed, eyeball facing roof. In the final position. No shivering, no jerks. Stay there like a statue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Elbow straight, hands straight. 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Legs straight. Both legs straight. Stick in front of legs. Stick in front of foot. Separate foot, knee, thigh with ball. Always tighten kneecap with ball, hands up. Hands pull back, say look up. Hands pull back, say look up, see the roof. Now one straight down. Ball in between foot, ball in between legs. Again, hands up, pull back side. 2 down. Pull back side, look up. 3 down. Pull back side, look up. 4 down. Pull back side, look up. 5 down. Pull back side, look up. 6 down. Pull back side, look up. 7 down. Pull back side, look up. 8 down. Pull back side, look up. 9 down. Pull back side, look up. 10 down. Pull back side, look up. Ready? 11 down, stay there. 11 down and stay there. Stay there. Ball drop, catch stick. Karandukovali. Catch stick. Come on, stay there. Head down, neck down, upper back down. Tighten both kneecap. Tighten both kneecap. Come on, stay there. Paschimottanasana. Come on, stay there. 12, 11, kinda chudali. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit in Vajrasanam with ball support. Supta Vajrasanam with ball support. Spine look like half moon, half curve, half moon, half curve. Both hands on your tummy. Both hands on your tummy. Your spine look like half moon, half curve. Both hands on your tummy. Supta Vajrasanam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With elbow support, slowly come to Vajrasanam. Sit in Vajrasanam. Parvatasanam. 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 Separate legs. Separate legs. Don't lift heel. Legs straight. Legs straight. Tighten both kneecap. Total upper body pull down like a dog stretching. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, head, neck, upper back and mid back. Try to more pull down and find your stomach. Just look down and find your stomach. Not mat, not foot, not kneecap, not thigh. Try to more pull down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. Ustrasanam. Stand on knee. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Both hands up. Catch ankle. Both hands up and rotate your hands from back side. Catch ankle. Right to right, left to left. Eyeball, head, neck, upper back, down to back. Eyeball, head, neck, upper back, down to back side. Expand your chest, mid back, lower back and seat. Thighs, total push forward. Mid back, lower back, seat and thigh, total push forward. Nadum munduku nettesayali. Nadum nilchoali. Nadum munduku tosayali. 1, 2, 3, stay strong. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. Butterfly. butterfly. Sit straight, thigh hips full up and full down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With 2 dumbbells, standing position. Join foot, hands full rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anti-clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells drop. Stick on shoulders. Turn to north side. Separate legs. More wide your legs. Double wide your legs. Stick on shoulders. Touch left foot with right hand. Touch left foot with right hand. Stand straight. Now touch right foot with left hand. Stand straight. 1 left leg. Stand straight. 2 right. 3 left. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready to hold. 11. Stay there on left side. Try to join right hand, left foot. With stick support, join right hand, left foot. Stay strong. Parivritta Trikonasana. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hip rotation. Stick slowly drop. No sounds. Hip rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anti-clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With ball. Both foot outside mat, V-shaped cross. With ball, hands above head. Half sit-ups variations. Ready. Lips close. 1 down. 2 down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ready to hold. 11 down, stay there. Utkutasana, chair pose. Come on, little more down. Spine straight, elbows straight, hands straight. Look up. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, ఇంకా కూర్చోవాలి. 3, 2, 1. Lips close. Sit down. Lips close, mouth close, eyes close. Maintain normal breathe. Lips close, mouth close, eyes close. Maintain normal breathe.